show you a few additional views that we have on the tool. So this design was taken from our WebAmp RD tool for the reference design tool. So in addition to this design view that we've been doing, which is the second button here, there's also a pinout view that's available. The pinout view actually shows you the pin connections and how they're connected up. In addition to that is the design view that we were in. Along with that, the third button here is a thermal view. The thermal view takes into account all the efficiency losses and shows you what the junction temperature is going to be given a certain power output. And as you vary the VIN or output currents, you can see this junction temperature vary. So that if I set that current lower, you'll have more margin on temperature and so forth. The junction temperature, again, for protection is shown here as well, which is 125 degrees C. So there's plenty of margin here. Now, if I artificially go ahead and increase this to 100 degrees, for example, it will go into red and say the temperature and pop up a warning message that we've exceeded the junction temperature. And this is probably pushing, this is not a good design, and we're over dissipating power. We can similarly go back down in temperature, and as you get close to 125 or 125, it will change colors as appropriate. And then if I go back down to 25 or 40 degree ambient temperature, it'll drop into the normal operating temperature and give you a green go signal. In addition to that, we can go back into, there's a few additional views that we have available. You can download this on the next button as a graphic, and this graphic can then be used for a cover sheet for thermals, or you can go back to the pinout view, for example, the design view, and save this graphic, which has all the key specs that somebody might want to look at